Hello guys, did you know you can measure your blood pressure with your Amazfit Bip 3 Pro smartwatch? Well, actually you can. Now today we're going to show you how you can do it. Let me wear the smartwatch first as it doesn't work without wearing it on your wrist. To wear your smartwatch, simply put it on and make sure it's nice fitting and tightly, because if it's not fitted tightly then maybe the measurement will be mismatched a little. So you have to make sure that you're wearing it tightly. And as you can see, it's worn correctly. Since it's a new watch, guys, we'll have to connect it to a smartphone in order to get it ready. You should use the Zip app to get it connected, and then tick on your prompt from your smartwatch. Then it will be connected to your smartphone. And after connecting, you can use your smartwatch normally. Okay guys, after turning your smartwatch on, from the home screen, you'll have to swipe to get to the BPM settings and then click measure. And the watch will tell you to hold your watch correctly and in single position. Don't move your hand, hold it still for most accurate results. After holding it for a few moments, you will know what is your BPM. Then, as you can see, my BPM is 76 at the moment. But if I exercise a little bit more, then it'll be more than 76. So guys, measuring your heart rate is that much easy. This Amazfit Bip 3 Pro has decent battery life of up to 2 weeks, which is pretty awesome, and it can beat pretty other smartwatches in the market. Maybe not the low-end smartwatches, but the high-end smartwatches it can beat easily. This watch comes with a 280 mAh battery, which is not very much, but it has enough juice to keep the watch running for 14 days. But if you use the watch heavily, like full day heart rate, full day blood oxygen monitor, full day stress monitor, everything is on, then you might get less battery backup from the battery, like 12 to 11 days. And if you disable all these features and you're not even connecting your smartwatch to a smartphone, then that battery life can be extended to around 15 to 16 days. But the internal battery cannot be changed, and you can't use an extended large capacity battery inside it. No, that's not possible, but you can extend the battery life by conserving the usage of this smartwatch. So guys, I hope these informations were helpful to you. If you found this video helpful or informative, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.